How to select English language in Duolingo. First of all, you have to open up Duolingo application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Duolingo account. Once you're here, if you navigate to the top left corner, there you can see the flag icon, so tap on it. So these are all the courses or languages that you have selected in your Duolingo. Now, in order to select English language, tap on course. After that, scroll down a bit and there you can see all different types of languages that you can select in Duolingo. Scroll down, then tap on Intermediate English if you want to select English. Furthermore, if you scroll down a bit, keep on scrolling and tap on More. Now if you scroll down, if you're an Arabic speaker, you can choose English from here, and there are all different kinds of options for different speakers such as Bengali, Chinese and many more, as you can see. So in that way also you can select your English language according to your preference. And then tap on Continue at the bottom of this interface, and that's how you can select English language in Duolingo. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.